To power on the device, press the round button on the inner side of the device for a few seconds, until the LED light next to it turns green. You will then hear beeping sounds, followed by
OrCam version 8 is ready. Battery is 100% charged.
To enter Suspend Mode, press the power button once. You will hear
Suspending. Press again to shut down. Suspended.
To wake up the device from Suspend Mode, hold the device in a horizontal position and press the power button once. When the device is attached to your glasses frame, you can wake it up from Suspend by pressing the touch bar twice.
Waking up. Battery is 100% charged.
To turn off your OrCam device, press the power button twice, once to suspend,
Suspending.
and again to shut down.
Press again to shut down. Shutting down. Please wait. Power off. Bye-bye.